because the surrender must be pursuant to a treaty, and therefore our own law, Section 17 of Republic Act 9851, brought back the Statute of Rome, even after withdrawal, because it requires that a surrender must be pursuant to the applicable treaty. And therefore, in this case, the applicable treaty remains the Statute of Rome. And thus, we have to follow Article 59 of the Statute of Rome, which requires that the custodial state, namely the Philippines, must first bring the arrested person to a local court to determine two things: whether or not the person is really the one named in the warrant. Second, whether or not the person has been informed of the charges against him or her. This was not done. Therefore, there was, in my view, a violation in the act of surrender.
Lumapag ba ang gobyerno sa proseso sa arrest proceedings of the custodial state?
Secretary Remulla, malinaw yun ha. Ang sabi ni retired Justice Ascuna na dapat dinala muna si President Duterte sa competent court dito sa atin. Ano yun? Hukuman natin. Pero binaypas nyo. Malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw, ibig sabihin may paglabag. Hindi lang isa kundi maraming paglabag. Napakasimple ang tanong ni Karen Davila. Hindi mo kayang sagutin yon, Secretary Remulla?
I'll read it again. Article 59 of the ICC, the arrest proceedings in the custodial state, paragraph 2, a person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custodial state. Dapat po ata dinala muna si Duterte sa isang judge or hukom sa Pilipinas, Secretary.
Good morning, Karen. Good morning, attorney. I am not a lawyer. I cannot interpret the law, nor am I a competent authority. But I find it amusing that Attorney Lambino keeps on insisting on the rights of the former president.
Mr. Secretary, yes or no lang yung sagot sa tanong ni Karen Davila. Pakinggan pa rin natin yung paliwanag niya.
What about the rights of the 30,000 who he summarily had killed?
Oh, saan galing yung 30,000? Kasama ba yun sa mga COVID yung panahon na yun? Ang layo ng sagot ni Secretary, 30,000 daw.
Without any judicial action, without any charges, 30,000 victims. Now, if we argue technicalities, I welcome them. Bring him to the court.
Bring it to the court. Saan korte, Secretary? ICC court?
But were the 30,000 allowed to go to court? Were the 30,000 read their rights?
If crimes occur on the soil of non-state parties by non-state parties persons, we don't have jurisdiction. Whatever the crime is, unless UN Security Council refer the situation to us. So we have the limitation under the Rome Statute. What kind of crimes and what kind of people and the jurisdiction on the